All right, welcome back. Okay, so now we're going to do another example of harmonic motion. So last time we talked about a spring, right? An object, a ball hanging on a spring, or we talked about a block being, attached to a spring in the vertical direction. Both of those are examples of harmonic motion, simple harmonic motion. But also, what if we had a situation where we took a stone and we dropped the stone into a puddle of water or into a tub, right, or a lake, right? What happens, right? When you throw the rock or drop the rock into the pond, what happens? It causes a ripple effect, right? These waves travel through the water, and so that is another example of simple harmonic motion that can be described by a sine or cosine function, okay? So that's what we're doing here. You drop the stone, right? And what happens? It causes a ripple effect, and those waves travel like in a cosine or sine, a sine wave, okay? So they move outward in roughly the shape of a sine or cosine wave, okay? Now suppose you are fishing in the same pool of water, and your fishing bobber does not move horizontally. Okay? Right? So let's say you've got your bobber. Right? You've got your fishing pole, right? There's your bobber. And so let's say the stone's dropped in the water and you've got your bobber here, and now the waves are coming. So what happens to your bobber? Does your bobber move left or right? Let's say it doesn't. Let's say it just stays there. So what's happening to your bobber? Well, guess what? Your bobber is going up and down in a vertical direction, just like what? Just like the ball attached to the spring. Okay? So as the waves move outward from the dropped stone, the fishing bobber moves up and down in simple harmonic motion. And so now we're going to look at an example of that next time.